What's up, guys? What's up? Well, I tell you what, it's a lazy, rainy day. Not too rainy, but it could hit again anytime. Here in the Philippines, Visayas, Iloilo. You know what? I kind of felt a little irritable this morning, and Melinda hadn't been feeling like really good at night, kind of a little restless. So I slept on the couch to give her space because she's tossing and turning, you know, and you can't get no rest. Either one of us like that. And when I'm like this, I just need to get out and get some air. So I told Melinda, let's get out. So she got dressed, which the first thing she did was put on a set of high heels. I'm like, baby, I want to get out and walk. And you're gonna be complaining in 5 minutes that you're about to die in those high heels. You will go to extreme moods and get mean. She reluctantly changed and also brought a pair of slippers with her as well because I want to get out and get some air. Me and her, we used to spend so much time walking, strolling, exploring, and getting fresh air. So I'm gonna get out the truck. We're gonna drive just random places, get out, stroll, and enjoy the day. That's exactly what the doctor is ordering, Dr. James. So get out my truck and we're gonna head out of here, see what we can find. There it is, guys. Got it out to take it for a little stroll today. So let's get out of here. Y'all don't judge me, guys. I'm telling you, don't judge me. Sometimes these things happen, and I'm gonna try to pick up a girl. Yeah, y'all just have to understand, you know, a man has his needs. Yeah, let me see what I can find here. I think I see one now. Hey girl, you want to ride in my truck? You want to go get lost with me? Just get on in here. What's your name?
Lynn.
Lynn?
Lynn Apaca.
Lynn Apaca? What? Apocalypse? Apocalypse now? Where you want to go? You want to ride my big green love machine?
Sure.
Well, let's roll them, baby.
Let's roll.
Let's roll, Lynn of Apocalypse Now. And this is the place I really wanted to come to right here. This is where I've been wanting to stop. I drove by this for several years and never bothered to stop. Man, there's a lot of beautiful plants here. Hey, y'all like that tree? It's nice, huh? Got some little bonsais here. Well, these are unique. Man, look how dense that is. That is nice. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. Yep, getting out of that house and seeing these plants has got me feeling better already. That's that carbonized rice hulls right there. When they say carbonized, they burn them. They burn it down. It breaks down into almost like an ash, but not burnt completely up though. And they use this to enrich soil with here. I'll blend it up, make kind of same like we do like a potting soil. And that's become a very common practice here to use that too. Yeah, nice colors on that bird, boy. That is nice.
Hello, good
Hello.
morning.
Good morning.
Oh,
So have these been carbonized?
yeah,
Just not burnt as much as like that up there in the front.
yeah.
Or you blended it? Did you
No,
blend it?
No, they're born in
Yeah.
the no in the factory of and so many mix the with animals manure and
So manure mix in with it?
yeah.
Nice, babe, huh? Like a butterfly.
Oh, the way that, yeah, the leaves are together there, they come out double.
Yes, like a butterfly.
Really thick leaves too. And it's a fruit tree, huh?
Yeah, santol. Do you remember the
Oh.
ones I bought like that sour?
Oh, yeah.
It is the one. Maybe I'm wrong.
Maybe you're wrong.
Not sure.
Maybe you're right.
Yeah, maybe I'm right.
Is that like that song, If Loving You Is Wrong,
Yeah.
I Don't Want to Be Right?
I love plants.
That guy knew the words to the song I was going to say. He started saying them immediately on his lips.
You know what's
Funny.
this? Guava.
Well, it's a leaf you just ripped off. That's what it is.
Guava. And
Well,
guava
I
is
got a question. I want to front you out in front of all of our viewers right now. Why is it when you want to ask what a plant is that you have to rip a leaf off? Or you have to rip a flower off to tell what it is? Can you just not rip the plant apart?
It's like a
Hey,
jelly.
imagine if every person that walked by ripped off a leaf like you do, the plant would be stripped in just one day, nothing.
Yeah.
So
It is the
can I
guava.
front you out and ask you right here, and viewers, can you also ask Linda to quit ripping off the leaves and the
I
flowers
just like to smell it.
off every plant that she goes by?
It's just a sample, you know.
You don't need a sample.
Yeah.
You don't need.
There's a plant of leaves there.
There won't be.
Wow, lemongrass. Look at
Yeah,
that.
are you gonna rip it down? Huh?
I
Huh?
don't know if it is a lemongrass or not.
I already see it in the breakover mode.
No, it's not a lemongrass. Oh, no.
It's right here on the 10 Commandments. It's number 11 down there. Thou shalt not pick the leaves.
No, there's 12 commandments there. Please tell your husband, keep his mouth.
Thou shalt not pick the leaves off the plants in thy garden.
Look, that's all there. That's all commandments. I'm going to add and write now.
Yeah, yeah. Here's a reminder if y'all forgot any of these. Here's a reminder. So we are just out exploring. Melinda wants to go inside this church here. She says she's never been here. I think she's been inside of a church.
No?
Maybe the churches that crumbled to the ground after she walked out.
Wait. You have a fire extinguisher?
Fire extinguisher, or maybe a lightning arrestor. I don't know. Well, here it is. prepare for another church to crumble. But I did take my hat off though. I do respect places of worship, but also want y'all to see the beautiful churches here that are always open. You know, in the U.S., they lock the churches up, right? They lock them up. There are only years to come in when we say you can come in. But here, the churches are always open. And you can just walk in and sit down and have a prayer and feel close. You know, why do we lock our churches in the U.S.? Yeah. Whose house is it then? Not here. They don't lock the churches. In fact, look here, this one don't even have walls down the side. Of course, we can't do that in the U.S. We'll freeze when winter comes. Maybe is it because vandalism? And then does that say something about our society if we have to go in and destroy and vandalize our churches because they don't do it here? So does that say something different about their society? Mel and I, we find ourselves always going in the churches when we're here. In different towns in the Philippines, we always find ourselves going in the churches. Yeah, they got one of them big fans up here. Oh, there's another one there, like they're selling those around. People are putting them in the U.S. now in businesses and in shops. That's nice. Look at that big old fan, man, like helicopter blades. That is nice. Add a little modern conveniences. They add other modern conveniences too, you know. It's not like it's set back so far in time. They put up these TVs. They got them up in the front. Sound systems all in here. Look at this. Additional TVs down the sides over here. Yeah. And there's nobody stealing them, and there's nobody breaking them. But if we did that in our country, my Lord, it's just a sad situation. Look at these stained glass windows. These wooden doors here. Now that's pretty ingenious. Look at this. They took a they took a piece of looks like maybe an old fuel line or gas line. Still got the fitting on it. Just bend it and use it as a hook here to keep the door latched. That's kind of funny. But you don't see no locks now, do you guys? Huh? No locks. This beautiful old woodwork and old iron fittings and all. Well, another thing I always do when I come into a house of worship is they're not real big and pushy like a lot of places are in the U.S., you know, are really pushing to hand over your money. But of course, these places can't survive without doing maintenance and repairs, and they too have utility bills and things also. So I always like to find their donation box and just leave a little something behind. That's something that I'm real big on, and that's my personal choice, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get off here and to show my respect here, have a little prayer real quick with Miss Mel, and then show them my support as well.